Here is how to create a modern-looking rock, paper, scissors game in Python using the Flet GUI by Flutter. So, we start by importing and installing Flet and additional the random module. Then we define the main function which holds our page. Inside here, we first set up the window properties. We lock the width to 400 and height to 300 pixels and set resizable to false, so the layout stays tight. We also center everything vertically and horizontally and turn on dark mode for this modern look. Next, we create a play function where we handle the game logic. A play function will later be triggered when we press a button. Flet knows this because we pass the E for event to it. So in here, we grab the user's choice from the button data using the control data function. Then, we let the computer pick a random option from the list. We also define a dictionary to map the text choices to emojis. We use this map choice to display it in a text field we create later when we set up the UI. Now for the rules. We check if the user and computer pick the same thing, so then it's a draw. We print this in a yellow font to the outcome text field. Next, we check the winning conditions. Rock beats scissors, paper beats rock, and scissors beats paper. If any of these match, we set the text to "you win" in green. Otherwise, "you lose" in red. Finally, we call update page function to refresh the screen instantly without reloading. So, now we can bring this together in the interface. We create two text widgets, one for the instructions, where we set the default to choose your weapon, and one for the outcome big and bold. Then, we create three elevated buttons, so we can pick rock, paper, and scissors. We put the emoji in the shown text, but keep the data attribute passed to the play function, clean as just rock, paper, or scissors. This keeps our logic simple. We group these buttons into a row to keep them side by side and set the alignment in center. The final thing is to add the text fields and the button row to the page and run the app using ft.app. And that's it. Run the app and let's see if we can beat the machine. The UI looks clean, the dark mode is slick, and the game feels super responsive. The game is so built that we can play ongoing in an endless loop until we close the game. The Flet framework is also able to create executable apps for mobile, web, and app. If you would like to see how this works, let me know in the comments. Try it out. And that's it. Be sure to leave a like if you found this helpful.